Let's draw this beautiful evil-eyed keychain. I just love the reference so much with all the beads and the transparency and the glass effect. So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna draw one central piece detailed, and the other shines which are hanging on the sides, we are going to doodle them out. So that's what's the plan right now. Let's see how it unfolds. These hangings at the bottom are like made of foam or similar material, and each hanging has a three-dimensional shape to it, which I've tried to achieve. So there's a small V-shaped thing at the bottom of each strand to make it look a little bulky and cuboid shaped, if you can understand what I'm trying to say. And that's going to be fun to paint. And these are some at the back in the background. And this particular bead at the top, the silver one, is just so pretty and Indian looking. The one that I'm drawing now. So I've found an easier way to draw it, and I'm going to just follow the same. I'm just going to add one more string of beads to the left to balance the whole thing out. Over here I'm trying to make sure that they are of different lengths so they don't look very monotonous. That looks a little more interesting. Now let's paint this out. The heart shape looks a little bulky over there, so I'm kind of trying to make it slightly thinner. And the evil eye in the middle is not very circular, slightly oval and off, not very centralized, so I just kind of edited that.